Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be testing the Kiko Jelly Jungle collection, and yeah, just the fact my hair is pink. It was pinker or a brighter pink, and if you follow me on Instagram you would have seen that, but now it's kind of fading away. And before starting to test the products, I would really love it if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below to help me grow my channel. But without further ado, let's get on into the video. So I haven't bought the whole collection, as you've seen on my Kiko haul video. I will leave that linked in the cards. But I have bought some of the things from the collection, and this makeup bag was a gift. And just a quick note, don't mind my chipped nails, and actually the color was not intended, but it's kind of matching. So I didn't have any foundation or powder or anything like that, so I'm starting with my base already done. And I got 4 items to test. These 3 were in my last haul, and I got another one. There is still a sale going on in Kiko. These are all 70% off. Yeah, I'm just kind of late on this, but I don't have that much time to film. So they all come in this very pretty packaging with the jellyfish. And just very quickly, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Kiko Neutral Eye Base. I totally forgot that before starting to film, but now my lids are primed. So I am going to start with the eyeshadow palettes. And I got mine in the shade 01 Hyperreal Forest. And to set the primer, I am going to take this very light neutral color and putting it all over the lid. And I think I am going to use mostly the brown colors. So I'm going to use this beigey color to act as a transition. On the crease, I am going to take this medium brown color. Okay, so this one didn't seem to be very pigmented. But now I am going to take on the outer part of my lid the darker brown color. This one is much more pigmented than the other one. And I'm gonna try to use a smaller brush to pack a little bit more of this mid-brown color. So yeah, this one you kind of have to build up a little bit, but the dark brown color is very, very pigmented. Okay, so now I think I'm going to take this middle color, it's kind of a shimmery brown, on the center of my lid. And for the inner part of my lid and the inner corner, I'm going to take this gold color. Yeah, I kind of like that for an inner corner highlight. And now for my lower lash line, I really want to use this blue. This is very pigmented, but a little powdery. Ooh. I think I got a little bit carried away with that, and I'm going to try blend it with the light color. That's better. This blue is very, very pigmented. Okay, so as far as the eyeshadows go, I haven't used this very light color, but if you have a lighter skin tone than me, this will be very good to set your lid. And I haven't used the pink today, but you can kind of do something similar like I did with the blue. And I am going to do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so my other eyeshadow is done and I am very happy with this. And I was thinking I am going to use this gold shimmer to highlight my brow bone. Something I haven't quite used before, I'm going to try the Jelly Jungle eyeliner and eyeshadow. This comes in a glass container and I got mine in the shade 02 Mysterious Brown. I really have to buy an eyeliner brush, but I think this one will probably do the job, so we'll see. This seems to have a little bit of shimmer in it. And again, I kind of haven't used this type of eyeliner before. I did kind of a mini wing. So, by the way, this is what the product looks like. So you kind of just dip your brush in here. Okay, so what started as a mini wing got a little bit bigger as per usual. But yeah, this is the finished eyeshadow and liner. I kind of want to say that for someone like me with not too much experience, this kind of product may be a little bit difficult. And now I am going to take on my upper waterline a black kohl, and I am going to use on my lower waterline this color that is also from Kiko that kind of matches the eyeshadow. And for mascara, I'm going to use also from Kiko the Standout Volume Buildable Mascara. Okay, so my lashes are done and I've been really loving this mascara. And now I am going to finish my face. And this collection has a bronzer, but I didn't get it. What I got very recently was the Gold Waves bronzer. That is a baked bronzer and it looks like this. I've really been loving the color of this. And the smell is amazing. It smells like chocolate. I love me some chocolate. Now I'm going to use something I've never tried before, that is a liquid highlighter. It comes in this bottle and I got mine in the shade 01 and it's something like golden something something. I don't remember. So I think I'm going to put a few bits and maybe blend it with a brush. I have no idea. I think I'm just gonna pat it with my finger. So once you blend it, it looks kind of subtle. This is probably not my favorite thing from the collection, but yeah, it's something different and gives kind of a natural glow. Okay, so I think my cheeks needed a little bit something and I added a little bit of the Kiko Free Soul Cream blush. I used the shimmery blush. And now to finish, I have a liquid lipstick that looks like this. It's similar to the highlighter and I got it in the shade 02. That is a kind of bright pink, and this is kind of a metallic pink, but I think it actually dries matte. Okay, so now I'm going to leave it to dry a little bit. Okay, I kinda actually had to reapply the lipstick because I really wasn't liking the way it was feeling. It was kinda patchy, and this is kinda reminding me of the Maybelline Superstay lipstick, that the less product you apply, the better it will look. And you can still kind of see that is not looking the very best. I really like the color though, but when it comes to formula, this doesn't seem to be the best. And okay, so let's round it up. The lipstick is not my favorite, and the highlighter is good, but is also not my favorite. I mean, it kind of gives a very natural glow. It's good, but I have better highlighters. Now, the eyeshadow slash gel liner, it seems to have a nice formula. I kind of have to try this as an eyeshadow on its own, because it seems to be, this is a brown. They have other colors too, but this is a brown. It seems to be a little bit shimmery, and as I don't have too much experience, I would prefer a liquid liner, but that's kind of a personal preference, and in terms of product, it seems to be nice. And finally, for the eyeshadow palette, this is really my favorite thing from the collection, and it seems to be very good. This color is not too pigmented, but the others seem to be very pigmented, I mean, especially the blue one. And I didn't notice much fallout either. So yeah, this is the best of all 4 items that I tested. And also I was very impressed with the shimmers. I didn't even wet the brush, but it looked like they were wet. So yeah, this is my favorite product of the collection. And this is the finished look and my final thoughts on the products that I tested. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried anything from this collection and what do you think of them. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe in the red button down below to subscribe to my channel and join the world of BeautyCraft. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!